Hi everyone, here's a refreshing grapefruit ginger shot recipe for you. These wellness shots are trending and can be found in the grocery stores, served in many upmarket cafes as well. How about making these wellness shots at home to boost immunity and do a detox? Have you seen these wellness shots that are becoming trending? My name is Sue, who loves sharing recipes that can help you keep healthy and source wisely. Let's make these at home so we can boost immunity, get all of this health benefit in one shot. All you need is one grapefruit, and you can replace the grapefruit with an orange if you cannot find grapefruit, and about 2 inches of ginger. So firstly, peel the ginger and slice it to 2 to 3 slices for the recipe. I did put more, but it turned out to be overpowering and my kids did not like it. So just 2 to 3 slices will be enough.
And then today we're gonna use a grapefruit. I'm gonna cut it. Hair on this grapefruit. Yes. Oh, it smells so good. You know, it smells so good. Yummy. And I'm gonna cut half. I only will be half. I only will be using half of this ginger. Okay. This juicy grapefruit. Yeah, gonna use these 2 pieces of grapefruit. If you can just take out the pit, it will be great.
So to make this grapefruit ginger shots, the ingredients that we need is very easy. 1 large grapefruit or 1 orange and 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger root. You can also add, and the 2 ingredients at the end are optional. 1 tablespoon of honey just to sweeten it a bit, or 1 pinch of cayenne pepper just to give it a little kick. The instructions say, first peel the grapefruit and remove all the pits. The pits will make the smoothie or shots bitter. Remember to look out the pits and the flesh. You can put the flesh. One whole grapefruit will make you 2 big glasses of this grapefruit ginger shot. Use half the grapefruit if you want to make just 1 glass. If you don't like the pulp, then you can either squeeze the juice, throw the pulp away, use the juice to mix with the ginger. This is one way. Watch till the end because you will find 2 other ways to enjoy this ginger grapefruit shot. Preparing your ginger, first you peel the ginger shot roots, peel the ginger root, slice out 2 to 3 thin slices. I put more, but I think it's overpowering in the spring, so I would recommend just 2 to 3 slices. If you really love ginger, then go ahead too. Then now we're gonna combine the ingredients. I'm just gonna quickly throw them into the Vitamix blender. In my recipe, I'm blending the grapefruit and ginger in the Vitamix blender. It will become very smooth for drinking. Add some honey to sweeten the shots and a pinch of cayenne pepper for an extra kick. Both these are optional and I did not add any of them. You can use any type of blender. I will show you 2 ways of serving this shot. If you prefer a lighter density shot, then you use the pop after you have blended. For the first glass, I use a strainer to take out the pop, so you will get a lighter than shot. For the second glass, it's more like a smoothie as I kept the pop in. 2 options for you to try, and you can choose the one that you prefer. Stir the mixture thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Pour the mixture into glasses or small cups and drink it up. For my preference, I will go for the smoothie, denser, because then I don't have to strain, because strain takes a little time. So I would like to share with you that ginger is a powerhouse root with a multitude of health benefits. Here's why you might want to incorporate more of it into your diet. I have also shared in the past few weeks 2 other ginger recipes to add ginger to your diet. One is a vegan vermicelli recipe that you can add a little turmeric and add a little ginger to make a little bowl of soup. Another recipe is to just brew a simple ginger tea for yourself, and you can do this every day or every other day, and it will definitely boost your immune system. And if you're feeling under the weather, these 2 recipes will be so beneficial for you. Check it out from the library of videos that I have. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which are powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These 2 compounds help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Ginger is well known for its ability to aid digestion, and you can help relieve nausea, stimulate digestion, and elevate bloating and gas. It's often used to treat morning sickness during pregnancy and also motion sickness. In the past, ginger was a superstar that can be easily found. At that time, vitamin C's and health supplements, all these are not available in the traditional community. So people tend to use what is available readily in the backyard. I will soon make a recipe that is commonly used during pregnancy and post-pregnancy to boost health and recover from pregnancy and childbirth. And this is a recipe that uses ginger. Other fruits that you can use are oranges or pineapple with ginger to replace grapefruit. This shot is perfect for a quick morning boost or midday pick-me-up. Enjoy, everyone. And how's that for a zesty start? If you have found it helpful, please hit the like button. I'm thinking of making a video on turmeric shots, a very traditional Indonesian jamu that has been shared to me by one of my close friends. Also, type in a yes if you would like to find out about these videos, and I will then make similar videos. If you are new and haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Check out the videos to help you stay healthy. Eating well is the best way to stay healthy. Health is the new wealth. For now, guys, signing off. See you again in the next video. Check this all out. Bye.